Hello, my exceptional Algebra 3 students. We are ready for another exciting online trip. Today, we will discuss arithmetic sequences, which is found in Chapter 13, Section 2. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which each term after the first differs from the preceding term by a constant amount. Again, each term after the first differs from the preceding term by a constant amount. The difference between consecutive terms is called the common difference. So again, the difference between consecutive terms, if their consecutive terms are right beside each other, the difference between consecutive terms is called the common difference of the sequence. We're going to look at an arithmetic sequence. We're going to look at the first 5 terms of this particular arithmetic sequence. The a sub 1, the first term is negative 3. The second term is 1, which is called the a sub 2. The third term is 5. It's called a sub 3. The fourth term is the a sub 4, which is 9. The fifth term, the a sub 5 term, is the 13. So we're going to find the common difference. Take 2 consecutive terms. We're going to find the difference, which means we're subtracting. So it's a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Well, a sub 2 is 1 minus the a sub 1, which is a negative 3. So we have 1 plus 3, which is 4. Take 2 consecutive terms. A sub 3 minus a sub 2. A sub 3 is 5. Minus a sub 2, which is 1, we get a 4. Notice they're the same, 4, that common difference. Take 2 consecutive terms, a sub 4 minus a sub 3, which would give us 9 minus 5, which is 4. Again, the common difference is 4. A sub 5 minus a sub 4, which would give us 13 minus 9, which is 4. All of these have a common difference of 4. That is how we know that it's an arithmetic sequence. If you take any 2 consecutive terms and you subtract them, you're going to get the same number. So we use the letter D to represent the common difference. So our common difference here is 4. So let's look at this again. We start with a sub 1 and add the common difference D to each successive term. So again, we start with a sub 1 and we're going to add D to each successive term. So here's our first term. A sub 1 is negative 3. We're going to add the common difference 4. We get 1, which is the second term. We take the second term and we add the common difference, and we get 5, which is the third term, the a sub 3 term. We take the a sub 3 term, which is 5, and we add the common difference. We get 5 plus 4, which is 9, which is the fourth term. And then we take the a sub 4 term and add the common difference. We get 9 plus 4, which is 13, and 13 is the fifth term. So we started off with the first term. Negative 3. We just kept adding the common difference until we got the first 5 terms. So what we're going to say then is that the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence will be negative 3, 1, 5, 9, and 13. Let's look at an example, a problem. So the problem would be this. Write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence, where the first term, the a sub 1, is 17, and the common difference is a negative 3. So our a sub 1 term is 17. That's our first term. To find our second term, we're going to take our a sub 1 term and add the common difference, which is a negative 3. 17 plus a negative 3 gives us 14. Then to find the a sub 3 term, we take the a sub 2 term, which is 14, and add the common difference, which is negative 3, and we get 11. To find the a sub 4 term, we take the a sub 3 term, which is 11, and we add the common difference, which is negative 3, and we get the 8. And again, to find the fifth term, we take the a sub 4 term and add the common difference, which is negative 3, to get a 5. So you see you have 17 plus a negative 3 is 14. 14 plus a negative 3, 11. 11 plus a negative 3, 8. 8 plus a negative 3, 5. So we can say then that the first 5 terms are 17, 14, 11, 8, and 5. A sub 1 term, 17. A sub 2 term, 14. The third term, A sub 3 is 11. The fourth term, A sub 4 is 8. And the fifth term, A sub 5 is 5. And as we are viewing these videos, always remember, stop, rewind, review. Stop, rewind, review until you understand what is happening. And my love going out to you.